180. 100 into 100 divided by 180. Please calculate. 110 into 100 divided by 180. Next, 130 into 100 divided by, yes.
100 into 100 by 180 is 55 point, almost 55 is coming, ma.
It is 55, right?
Yes.
Okay. The next, 110 into 100 divided by 180. 150 into 100 divided by 180.
61.11.
Okay, 61. I'll take it as 61 rounded off. 130 into 100 divided by 180.
72.2.
Okay. The next, 150 into 100 divided by 180.
83.33.
83. Then 175 into 100 divided by 180. 175 into 100 divided by 180.
97.2.
97.2. Now 200 into 100 divided by 180.
111.
111.
111. And 220 into 100 divided by 180.
122.
Yes. So this is how base shifting supposed to be worked out. What we did, whatever earlier, this is the base. Now the base is shifted to 2015. So whenever a base is shifted, base is always equal to 100. So now 180 is equal to 100. Then every component is equal to question mark. So you have to work out like this. This is called base shifting. Followed? Understood? This is very easy. Followed? Completed?
Ma'am, can you say 180? 180.
Ma'am, మనకి sum లో ఇస్తాడా అదే ఆ ఇయర్ కి సంబంధించి చేయమని.
Yeah, he'll give you reconstruct the following indices using 2015 as a base year. That means earlier the base year is something. Now he's asking you to shift your base year from so and so to so and so. Here now, in this index numbers, if you take into the account, the base year is equal to 2010 because that was equal to 100. Now what he is doing is shifting the base to 2015 and this 180 now is equal to 100. Got the point? Understood? Or should I repeat?
Can
Once
you repeat,
ma'am?
ma'am?
Yeah, I'll repeat again. Then I need to see to it that I'll rub it off first. Now, first is here. This is whatever the problem which is given to us. 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. These are the years which is given to us. The next, already the index number which is calculated, that is 100, 110, 130, 150, 175, 180, 200, and 220. This is what is already given. Now what he says, this 2015 should be treated as your base year as 100. When this is equal to 100, then we are calculating the new index number. New index number. Okay. This is the new index number. Now here, what we are doing? This 180 is equal to 100. 100 is equal to question mark. That means we are taking 100 into 100 divided by 180. You got it as 55. Now 110 into 100 divided by 180 gives you 61. Now 130 into 100 divided by 180, you got it as 72.
72.
Next 150 into 100 divided by 180, you got it as
83.
83. Now 175 into 100 divided by 180 gives you
97.
97. Now 200 into 100 divided by 180 is 111. Now 220 into 100 divided by 180 gives you
122.
122. So this is how a base shifting is being calculated. Followed? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next we have to go to the splicing. So I'm rubbing off this. It is splicing. Right? Now here he'll give you the year, then series A and series B. Okay. So let us take series A and series B. Now year is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Now, series A he gave you is 100, 120, 150. The rest he has not given you. Now, series B he has not given you the first two. Now he gave you this is 100, this is 110, this is 120, and 150. Now, see, if you're calculating the series A, whatever is missing, this is called as forward splicing. Forward splicing. And the B series where the missing which you are calculating, this is backward splicing. Forward splicing and backward splicing. We have two things. Splicing is nothing but we would like to continue with your missing. Those missings we have to calculate. So let us calculate that. Now, I am calculating the new index. If 150 is equal to 100, then 100 is equal to how much? So you can see to it that 100 into 100 divided by 150. 100 into 100 divided by 150. How much you are getting?
66.6.
That is, yeah, 67. I can take that into the account. The next,
Okay,
120 into 100 divided by 150. 120 into 100 divided by 150. 5 3s are 5 2s are 3 40s are. So it is 80.
80, ma'am.
Right. Now, this is backward which we have calculated. Now forward we have to calculate. 150 is equal to 100. 110 is equal to how much? That means your 150 into 110 divided by 100. This zero get cancelled. So it is 165.
165.
Now 150 into 120 divided by 100. So 12 into 15. Is it 180?
180.
Then 150 into 150 divided by 100. So 15 into 15, 225 it is. Is it okay? Followed now? Have you followed? This is called splicing. Followed?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Nana, we may get the short problems also. The short problems are like the annual trend. Annual trend may be converted into the monthly trend, and the monthly trend may be converted into annual trend. So let us work out the problems relating to that. It is very simple. You can expect for short note. 1 minute. Nana, take down the problem. Converting annual trend into monthly trend. Converting annual trend into monthly trend. So, see, we have a formula as y is equal to a plus bx. This is a trend equation. And if this is annual trend, then you have to convert into monthly. Then annual into monthly means in an annual, that is in a year, we have 12 months. So what we will do, a by 12 plus b by 12 into x by 12. So that means we will take a by 12 plus bx by 144. When we are converting annual trend into monthly trend. If an equation was given, this equation is a monthly equation and asking you to convert into annual equation. Then in such a case, multiply a into 12 plus b x into 144. Because it is a monthly trend supposed to convert into annual. So that you have to take into the account. Okay. And we have one more. I think this is comes under your time series, but need to be known because this kind of problems you can expect. The next we have one more, the backward shift and the forward shift. So let us work out a problem under this so that you can expect a short note relating to this. Now, see, y is equal to 300 plus 24x. This is convert into monthly trend. That means this is annual trend. They are asking us to convert into monthly trend. So taking the month is equal to 300 divided by 12 plus 24x divided by 144. So please work out this, how much you are getting. How much you are getting? 300 divided by 12?
25.
25. And 24 divided by 44, that is 12 12s are 12 2s are 2x divided by 12. It is
X by
0. No, 2 divided by 12 you
0.16.
work out.
0.16.
1 6 and 6 you are getting.
6.
So can we say 0.17x?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your monthly trend. Like let us say, take the monthly trend to annual trend. Okay. Now the same thing you take. We will take the same thing. This is a monthly trend. We'll convert into annual trend. That means your 25 into 12 plus 0.17x into 144. So you'll get the same equation, isn't it? This kind of short problems you can expect. Right? Completed?
Ma'am.
Ah.
300 plus 24.48x.
It's okay, no? 24 only we have, no? Right, Nana?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So like this also you'll be able to get. And one more, backward shifting and forward shifting is also there. That also will work out. I'm rubbing off this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we have an equation was given as y is equal to 24 minus 2x. Shift the origin, shift the trend origin 2000. This equation is related to 2016. Whereas is asking us to shift the trend to 2013. That means 2013 is backward, right? It is a backward. From 16 to 13 is a backward.
yes, ma'am.
So that means you have to write it as your 20. X minus your x minus 3. 16, no? 13, 14, 15, 16. So it is 3 years, no? 3 years backward. So x minus 3 you have to take, which is equal to 24 minus 2x minus of minus is equal to 5. No, 2 into 3 is 6. So which is equal to 30 minus 2x. This is the equation on 2013, which is a backward shift. Which is a backward shift. Understood? Whenever it is a backward, you have to take like this, x minus 3 in the equation. Followed?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we have to take into the account the forward shift. So whenever the forward shift we have to take into the account, like let us say, I'll rub it off this. We will take an equation y is equal to 45 plus 2.6x. This is the origin. This is the origin of 2016. You have to shift it to 2020. So that means 4 years. So your 45 plus 2.6 x plus 4. Ma, forward always you have to take x plus 4. Backward you have to take minus x minus so and so. So it is a 4 years difference which is shifting now. So it is 45 plus 2.6x plus 2.6 into 4 is how much? 2.6 into 4.
10.4.
10.4. So that means 45 plus 10, 55.4 plus 2.6x. 55.4 plus 2.6x. This is the 4 years forward shift. 4 years forward shift. Such kind of problems you can expect for a short note under the time series. Because when shifting was taken into the account, I could able to remember this. So this is very, very important. Short problems you can expect. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now we have any doubts? Any doubts, Nana?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next, we will work out the cost of living index. Now, cost of living index, or it can be called as consumer index, cost of living index or a consumer index. Nana, standard of living of the person can be known only through this index number. That's the reason why it is called as consumer index or cost of living index. Now, this index we can calculate based on two methods. One is the family budget method, and another method is the aggregative method. So let us take the first is the formula, then we'll work out the problem relating to this. The problem formula relating to the cost of living index. Family budget method and the aggregate expenditure method. These are the two methods we have. Family budget method, aggregate expenditure method. Now the family budget method, the formula for that here, P01 or the consumer cost of living index is equal to sigma P V divided by sigma V, or it can be written as sigma IW divided by sigma W. That means here V or W is the weights which we have to take into the account. P is the price relative which we have to calculate. So under the family budget method, this is the formula which we have to take into the account to calculate. And aggregate expenditure method also we have a formula. The formula for the aggregate expenditure method consumer price index is equal to now aggregate expenditure method, you have the cost of living index is equal to sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. This is for aggregate expenditure method. Okay. And as I told you, the family budget method, already I gave you the formula. So let us work out the problem relating to the both the methods. Take down the problem. Calculate the consumer price index using aggregate expenditure method and family budget method. So let us take the data. He has given us the data. Now, first he gave us the articles, that is A, B, C, D, E, and F are the articles he gave us. The next, he gave us the price of 2015 is treated as P0. He gave us 5.75, 5, 6, 8 rupees, and 2 rupees, and he gave us 20 rupees. Okay. Sorry, this I should write it like this. For A, it is 5.75. B is 5 rupees. C is 6 rupees. D is 8 rupees. E is 2 rupees. And F is 20 rupees. This is P0. Now P1 is equal to 6, 8, 9, 10, 1 rupee 50 paisa, and 15 rupees. P0, P1 was given. Now he gave us the Q quantity Q0. The Q0 is equal to 6 kgs, 6 liters, 1 kg, 6 meters, 4 grams, 1 kg. So this is how the quantity was given. So now we have to calculate for aggregate expenditure method, that is P1 Q0 and P0 Q0. These two we have to calculate. Multiplication you have to do. Like let us say P0 Q0, 5.75 into 6 kgs, work out and tell me the values. P0 and Q0. So I'll work out here as P0 Q0. P0 Q0. If I work out here, 5 rupees 75 paisa into 6 rupees, 6 kgs. 5 into 6 is 30. 6 into 1 is 6. 8 6 are 48. 2 4s are 8. 20. And this is 6 into 6. 5.75 into 6, which is 0, 3, 42, 45, 4. It is 34.5. What is this total? The next, I'll work out here. Now it is P1 Q0. 6 into 6 is 36. 8 6 are 48. 9.
Ma'am,
Yes.
P0 Q0 is 146.5.
146.5. This is 15. Now work out this 36 plus 48 plus 9 plus 60 plus 6 and 15. 21, 81, 90. 90, 104, 144, 174. Is it right? So your aggregate expenditure method, the formula is aggregate expenditure. The formula. What is the formula for aggregate expenditure?
Sigma P1 Q0 by Sigma
P1 Q0 by sigma P0 Q0
into 100.
So that is 174 divided by 146.5 into 100. Work out. What is the answer you got?
118. 8.77.
Okay. 77, that means you can make it as 8, no? 118.8. That is your answer. Okay. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, family budget method, we have to work it out, right? Now, family budget method, what we are doing now, first we have to calculate family budget method. Now we have to calculate the price relatives. So first we will calculate the price relatives, which is equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. So P1, what is P1 divided by P0? It is 6. Is it 6 divided by 5.75? 6 divided by 5.75 into 100. So calculate this value. The next 8 rupees divided by 5 rupees into 100. The next 9 divided by 6 into 100. The next 10 divided by 8 into 100. The next 1 rupee 50 paisa divided by 2 into 100. And the next is 15 divided by 20 into 100. Six divided by 5.75 into 100. So this is equal to 20.
104.3.
160. Amma?
104.3, ma'am.
104.3. 160. Then 2 3s are 250 are. This is 3. This is 150. This is 10 divided by 8. So 2 4s are 2 50s are 2 2s are 2 25s are. This is 2 5s are 25 5s are 125. 2 50s are. This is 50 into 1.5. 50 into 1.5.
75.
This is 75. And 15 divided by 20. That means this is equal to 5. This is also
Yes,
equal to
75,
75.
ma'am.
Right. So you got P values, right? So now, Amma, you need to tell me all this. I'm rubbing off. So now you tell me the price relatives. The first one is how much?
104.3.
104.3. Next,
160.
160,
150.
150,
125.
125,
75.
75, and 75.
75.
Now, Nana, P0, Q0 is treated as your V, Nana. P0, Q0, already we have calculated, right? That you tell me.
34.5.
How much?
34.5.
34.5,
30.
30,
6.
6,
48.
48,
8.
8,
20.
20. Now, P into V. Now 125 into 48, 104.3 into 34.5. You work out and tell me. One not 4.3
3598.
34.5. It comes to 35.
3598.35.
So it is, we can take 3598. We are taking the rounding of figures. The next is 125 into 48. It is 6,000. So please add this. You will get sigma PV. Now family budget method. Under this, sigma PV divided by sigma V. This total is already, you got it as 146 something, no? So now 3598 plus 4,800 plus 900 plus 6,000 plus 600 plus 1,500 comes to 17,398. 17,398 divided by 34.5 plus 30 plus 6 plus 48 plus 8 plus 20 comes to
146.5.
146.5. So 173.98, 173.98 divided by 146.5. No, you are getting the same answer as 118.8.
118.8.
Same answer is same, Nana. Whether whatever the method you are working out, answer will be the same. Only the procedure differs and formula differs. Okay, this is one way which is we call it as a arithmetic mean method. This is called as arithmetic mean method. Right? Now we will work out in the geometric mean method. If you have completed this, we'll go to the geometric mean method.
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
completed this?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'm rubbing off. You need to tell me the p-values again. The p-values 104. Is it 104?
104.3.
104.3.
Next.
160.
Next is 160,
150.
150,
125.
125. Next
75. 75.
75, 75.
75.
Nana, first you calculate log p, geometric mean. Locate the log table values. The log table values. Log table values. Log table values.
Ma'am, first one is 2.018.
2.018.
Second one, second
16 under 0 you have
2.204.
to see, Nana. Are you seeing?
Yes, ma'am.
Log table values. The first one is 10 under 4. 10 under 4 is, okay, 017 it is. This is 7, 2.017. Then 16 under 0 is
204.
2.2041. 15 under 0 is 2.1761. Then 125. 12 under 5. 12 under 5 is
2.096.
2.0969. The next 75 under 0.
1.875.
Under 0 it is 1.8751. This is also 1.8751. Right? So now you got log p. Now you multiply v into log p. V into the log p. V already we calculated. What is V? That is P0, Q0. That is 34.5. Multiply with 2.017. You tell me those values. $34.5 into 2.017. 2.017.
69.58, madam.
Amma?
69.58.
So we will make it as 70, Nana, because rounded off figure we will take.
Okay.
So it is 2.2041 into how much you are getting the value?
66.123.
66. We will take 66. Next.
12.966.
12.966. We will take it as 13. Next.
Hundred point 6, madam.
So we will take 101.
Fifteen, madam. 15.
15.
Yes, ma'am.
The next.
$37.5.
37.5. 38 we will take. Calculate the totals. Now, anti-log sigma V into log P divided by sigma V. This total comes to 136, 139, 149, 149,
302.
302 divided by 302 divided by anti-log into 302 divided by your sigma V is how much?
146.5.
146.5. 302 divided by 146.5. How much you are getting?
Zero point 2061.
0.2061.
61.
So anti-log table, you locate in anti-log table. Point 0.06 under 1. It is 1151. And what is the other number, ma'am? Is it 0.2061? .2061. That means 0.20 under 6. Can you repeat this, Nana? The value?
0.206143344 వచ్చింది.
0.20
61
uh,
43344.
So 0.20 under 6, it is 160. Under 1 is 0. So this is, that means we are getting, now somewhere we went wrong, because you should also get the same answer as 118.8. Again, you cross check once again. Somewhere we went wrong.
Ma'am, it's 2.06.
No, actually, when you are multiplying 2 point something 0969 multiplied with 1 or 6 or 5, whatever may be the value, how come you got only 38 like that? It should be in this digit only, no?
మ్యామ్ అలానే వస్తే మీరు దీన్ని 38 తీసుకోవాలి, 100.6 వస్తే 101 తీసుకోవాలని మీరే చెప్పారు కదా మ్యామ్.
ఆహా, అలా కాదు, నేను అలా అనట్లేదు. కంప్లీట్ గా 4 డిజిట్ నంబర్ అయితే రావాలి కదా, అలా వచ్చిందా? Because here you have like this. So when you multiply some value with this, more or less you will get like this only, no? See, calculate once again and see. Are you doing?
Yes, ma'am, but I got only 302.
Okay, you cross check, Nana, because answer should be the same. 118.8 only you'll get.
Okay,
Just
ma'am.
what we have did is we have converted P into the log P, right? Multiplied with V. V is already calculated. And you have to come back. So that's the reason why anti-log we have to use. Once again, you check, Nana, see whether you are able to
Okay,
get or
ma'am.
not. If not, tomorrow we'll work out once again the same problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The next we are supposed to start with this. We have completed your index numbers. Let us start with the probability.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మ్యామ్.
Yeah.
ఈ లాగ్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఎలా చేయాలి?
లాగ్ టేబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి నాన్న.
లేవు అలానే.
ఆ టేబుల్ మీకు బయట లాగ్ టేబుల్స్ అని దొరుకుతాయి. ఆ టేబుల్స్ బుక్ ఉండాల్సిందే తప్పనిసరిగా. ఇవే కావు.
క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తారో అర్థం కావట్లేదు, ఇక్కడ సమ్ అర్థం అవ్వలేదు అందుకే.
అదే ఈ లాగ్ టేబుల్స్ చూసుకోవాలి.
క్యాల్కులేటర్
మనకి క్యాలిక్యులేటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, దానిలో కూడా వస్తుంది.
సైంటిఫిక్ క్యాలిక్యులేటర్స్ ఉంటే లాగ్ వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి, కానీ బెటర్ we are not supposed to use log tables. We have to use log tables, not the scientific calculator. So tables are available outside in the bookstore. Are you listening? Nana, log tables ante meek baita dorukutayi book stalls lo.
దొరుకుతాయి కదా, అది ఎగ్జామ్ లో యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయరు కదా.
ఎలా చేస్తారు? లాగ్ టేబుల్స్ ఎప్పుడూ ఎలా చేస్తారు? ఆ లాగ్ టేబుల్స్ లేకపోతే జామెట్రిక్ మీన్ ఎట్లా చేస్తారు మీరు?
క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ తీసుకున్నాను.
లేదు అన్న, లాగ్ టేబుల్స్ మీరు ఇది ఒక్కటే కాదు, ఇప్పుడు మీకు ప్రాబబిలిటీ థియరిటికల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ లో మీకు వేరేవి కూడా ఉన్నాయి కదా. అప్పుడు మీరు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ అప్లై చేయమనండి. మా టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ వాళ్ళు సప్లై చేస్తారు. మీకు బైనామియల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్, పాయిజన్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్, నార్మల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ లో టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ లేకుండా కుదరదు. టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ ఉండాలి.
వాళ్ళు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయట్లేదండి సెంటర్ లో.
యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయకపోతే వాళ్ళని ప్రొవైడ్ చేయమనండి. మీరు ఇన్విజిలేటర్ చెప్పాలి, మాకు గ్రాఫ్ పేపర్స్, టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ తో పని ఉంటాయి, మీరు ఎలా చేయండి, లేకపోతే మీరు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయండి అని.
అసలు గ్రాఫ్ పేపర్స్ కూడా వాళ్ళు ఏమి ఇవ్వట్లేదు, మాకు ఓన్లీ దీనిలోనే చేయమంటున్నారు.
మీరు అడగాలి.
నార్మల్ గా
అడిగినా కూడా వాళ్ళకి ఏమి రావట్లేదు అంటారు మేడం.
మీరు మీ యూనివర్సిటీలో చెప్పండి అమ్మా, మీ యూనివర్సిటీలో చెప్పండి.
హలో మ్యామ్.
ఎస్ మా.
మేము గ్రాఫ్ పేపర్స్ అడిగితే డైరెక్ట్ బుక్లెట్ లోనే వేయమంటున్నారు. ఏం కాదు, బుక్లెట్ లోనే వేయండి అని అంటున్నారు.
కాదు, ముందు
వేసాం మ్యామ్. థర్డ్ సెమ్ లో బార్ గ్రాఫ్స్, ఆ గ్రాఫ్స్ అన్ని నార్మల్ గానే వేసాం.
పర్వాలేదు నాన్న, అలా వేసినా కూడా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తారు. కానీ మామూలుగా అయితే గ్రాఫ్ పేపర్స్, టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ వాళ్ళు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కడ ఎగ్జామ్ జరుగుతుందో అక్కడ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాల్సిందే. మీరు కనుక్కోవాలి. అది మీరు ముందుగా కూడా డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ కామర్స్ లో ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయండి, మాకు ఇలా టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి, వితౌట్ దట్ వీ కెనాట్ వర్క్అవుట్ ద థియరిటికల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ చాప్టర్ ఆర్ జామెట్రిక్ మీన్. ఏది ఉన్నా సరే టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ యూస్ చేసుకుంటూ చేసేవి మేము చేయలేము, మీరు మాకు అది ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారా, మేము తీసుకెళ్తే అలౌ చేస్తారా, అది మీరు కనుక్కోండి, మీరు పర్మిషన్ తీసుకోండి. దానికి
గ్రాఫ్ పేపర్స్ లేకుండా చేయొచ్చా మ్యామ్? అది
గ్రాఫ్ పేపర్స్ లేకుండా చేయొచ్చు, కానీ టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ ఎట్లా గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటారు
మ్యామ్? అది మేము అడిగితే మీరు అది ఆప్షన్స్ లో వదిలేసుకోండి అని కూడా సజెషన్ ఇచ్చారు మ్యామ్ వాళ్ళు.
అట్లా కాదు నాన్న, అది ఒక్కటే వదిలేస్తారు నాన్న. ఇప్పుడు థియరిటికల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ హలో.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
సో మీరు కొద్దిగా ఫస్ట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ కి వెళ్ళి కనుక్కోండి నాన్న.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఎందుకంటే ఈ సిలబస్ లో మీకు థియరిటికల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ మాత్రం డెఫినెట్ గా ఇది ఉంది.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
మీకు టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ లేకుండా మీరు చేయలేరు. ఒకవేళ ప్రాబ్లం లో టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ వాళ్ళంతటి వాళ్ళు ఇస్తే ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, కానీ ఇవ్వకపోతే టేబుల్స్ చూసుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
సో లాగర్థమ్స్ ఒకటి ఇవి అలౌ చేసేటట్టుగా మీరు ఇవ్వండి, పర్మిషన్ ఇవ్వమని అడగండి మీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ లో. మీ యూనివర్సిటీలో మీరు చెప్తే వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు కదా. ఇప్పటి వరకు ఎవరు రైజ్ చేయలేదేమో.
నో మ్యామ్. మ్యామ్ ఐ హావ్ వన్ డౌట్.
yes ma'am. What is your
నాకు లింక్ రిలేటివ్ మెథడ్ కి కొంచెం డెఫినేషన్ ఆర్ థియరీ చెప్తారా?
చెప్తా. ఇప్పుడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ టైం అయిపోయింది కదా, రేపు చెప్తా. ఓకే
ఓకే మ్యామ్. అది ఒక జస్ట్ ఫార్ములా డెఫినేషన్ అది చెప్తే.
అలాగే.
ఓకే మ్యామ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మీకు నాన్న అర్థమవుతుంది కదా సబ్జెక్ట్?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
you're following?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
all of you? any problem? any doubts?
No ma'am. మ్యామ్ మా దగ్గర టెస్ట్ పేపర్స్ ఉన్నాయి, దానిలో కొన్ని సమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అన్నమాట.
ఓకే,
అవి ఏమైనా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా?
డెఫినెట్ గా నాకు మీరు వాట్సాప్ లో పెడతారా?
పెడతాను.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
మీరు నాకు వాట్సాప్ లో పెట్టండి, నేను మీకు అవి సాల్వ్ చేసేనా పంపిస్తాను, లేదా అవి ఏమైనా డిఫికల్టీ ఉంటే డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. మీరు ఒకసారి గ్రూప్ లో కూడా పెట్టారా ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లిస్ట్?
అంటే గ్రూప్ మీ గ్రూప్ తో నాకు టచ్ లో లేను కదా.
అంటే వాళ్ళని అడుగుతున్నా మ్యామ్.
ఓకే ఓకే
మ్యామ్ మిమ్మల్ని గ్రూప్ లో యాడ్ చేస్తాను, చేయమని చెప్తాను.
ఓకే.
ఆ టెస్ట్ పేపర్స్ గ్రూప్ లో పెడితే మేము కూడా కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తాం.
ఓకే
ఓకే.
అది నేను తెలుగు మీడియం గ్రూప్ లో ఉన్నా, మీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం గ్రూప్ నా దగ్గర లేదు.
ఓకే.
దగ్గర సమ్స్ తెలుగు మీడియం ఉన్నాయా?
ఏంటండి?
మీ దగ్గర సమ్స్ తెలుగు మీడియంలో ఉన్నాయా?
ప్రెసెంట్ అయితే ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం ఉన్నాయి.
Right ma, tomorrow we will meet again.
Okay ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Right ma, thank you.
Thank you.